Hello, my dear friends and students. Welcome back to Booty Aviation Training. Lessons for CPL, ATPL, and airline exams. And the material contained is primarily to help you improve your marks. So watch the videos, read and remember, and take notes where necessary for maximum benefit. And today we are going to cover how are the clouds classified and do they have different names? Okay, let's start with how the clouds are classified. On the basis of appearance, the clouds are classified as stratiform clouds, which are generally horizontally spread out like a sheet. Second is cumuliform, which looks like small waves or small hills. And third is the cumulus type of clouds rising like towers or large mountains. So when you look at these clouds in your flight, you'll be able to identify them. Then on the basis of height above ground level, the clouds are classified as low clouds 0 to 2 kilometers, medium 2 to 6 kilometers, high 6 to 18, and vertical development clouds where the base may be in lower medium category and top may be in medium or high category. And what are the different names given to these clouds in different categories? Here we are. In the low clouds category, stratiform clouds are called stratus. Cumuliform clouds are called stratocumulus, and a dark amorphous cloud spreading over a large area and filled up with the water and giving you rain for a long duration. The word nimbo means lot of water. Nimbostratus. See these during regular monsoons generally. Then there are medium level clouds, 2 to 6 kilometers. Cumuliform are called altocumulus and stratiform are called autostratus. Please remember these abbreviations from now on, because when you go to the MET section, in his MET briefing, he will not write such long names. He'll be using the abbreviations. So it will be helpful for you to remember all these abbreviations. Then the third category is 6 to 18 kilometers, and above 18 kilometers, hardly any moisture or hardly any clouds. Okay. Then in these high clouds, they are primarily frozen ice crystals. Clouds which look like birds' feathers, like an eagle has spread out its wings, cirrus. Stratus type of clouds, cirrostratus, and cumuliform type of clouds, cirrocumulus, CI, CS, CC. Then there are vertical development clouds where the base may be in low or medium and top may be in medium or high. Development is vertical. And these clouds will generally give you showers. Okay, some clouds like stratus, etc., give you drizzle. Okay. Now, nimbostratus, rain, but these clouds, generally the water is stored vertically up and the precipitation is in showers. They form as a cumulus, start building up vertical clouds like bales of cotton placed in the air. When they grow bigger, they are called towering cumulus, and when they go beyond the freezing level and the hailstones form and the lightning also starts, then they are known as thunderstorms, and the cloud is called as cumulonimbus cloud CB. The only cloud which is dangerous for an aircraft to negotiating through it. And if you value your life and your passenger's life, you will avoid it like plague. And how to identify it? Look forward to your weather radar and the basic knowledge that as the turbulence is growing and it is getting too uncomfortable for the pilots, what will happen to the passengers? Avoid it. Okay. Along with that, you will find the lightning from a large distance at night, and avoid these clouds. They are dangerous to fly through. Then next is here we are. Some clouds which are confined to local areas are not found all over. And these are basically in the mountain areas. When the moist air rises up a mountain slope, and if it reaches a condensation level is the level at which the water vapor starts turning into liquid water drops or droplets initially, and is called a cloud. So if the condensation level is near the top of the hill, you will have clouds sitting on the top of a hill like a cap clouds. Then there are mountain waves, and which create turbulence also. And at the crest of the waves, if the condensation level is at this place, the clouds which form look like the lens. Here you can see, and these are called lenticular or lens-shaped clouds at mountain wave crests, and they indicate to a pilot from a distance that this area is likely to be turbulent. Right. Then as the air which has gone up descends on the leeward side of the mountain and again starts rising on the next mountain, and from the valleys, if it picks up the moisture, it triggers vertical development clouds in the mountain valley ridge area. And these are called rotor clouds, something like small CBs. Now there is a little more to learn about the clouds, and that too from your examination point of view, and that is few important points for your pilot exams. The rainfall is measured by a calibrated glass container called rain gauge and expressed in centimeters. Cloud base is the height above ground level and estimated visually by the trained observers or measured by a ceilometer or a ceilograph, where the graph is also maintained. Then there is a nephoscope, a mirror type of equipment on the ground, which measures direction and speed of the movement of the clouds which are passing overhead. On your charts, Met Officers charts, the lines joining places of equal precipitation, equal rainfall are called ISO heights. The frequency of precipitation, that is rain or drizzle or snowfall, is reported as intermittent, continuous, or showers. When the pilot is going, before he reaches his destination, he would be interested in how is the weather like when he reaches overhead. Will he be able to see the airport, or will he have to carry out an instrument approach procedure? Right. The sky is divided in 8 parts, and each part is called an octa. This is reported from the ground. If the Met Officer finds the sky is clear, he will send a message SKC. If he reports few clouds, means there are 1 to 2 octa clouding. Scattered is 3 to 4 octas clouding, and 4 octas means now half the sky is covered. More than half the sky, but not fully covered, is called BKN, broken clouds. That is 5 to 7 octas. And if the whole sky is covered with clouds, we call it sky is overcast. That is 8 octas. When the Met Officer reports sky OBSC obscured, it means sky is not visible from the ground, and the reason is other than clouds. What it can be? Dust, smoke, etc. When the Met Officer uses the cloud ceiling of 1400 feet, it means that 1400 feet is the base of the lowest cloud. It also means that now the sky is covered with more than 4 octaves of clouds, and all these clouds which he's talking about are below 6 kilometers, 20,000 feet, that is low and medium clouds. Now, look forward to these frequently asked questions, although no one can claim that any knowledge which he gives is enough. Keep putting in your effort. I'm only helping you to improve your marks. And if you certainly find these useful, come back and put it in the comments, the questions which you have read in my lessons and were actually asked in the examinations. It will motivate the other viewers. I'll be looking forward to your comments on the quality of the lessons. And if you have liked it, before you log out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon and remain updated on the latest videos. And a lot more is coming up from yours truly, yours faithfully, your friend SK Booty. Happy landings.